What if I told you about the one book can change the way you see the world? Good morning to the respected judges, beloved teachers, and my fellow book lovers. First of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I stand before you just not to talk about a book, but to share unforgettable adventure. One of them made me laugh, made me think, and even made me scare a little. The book I was choosing is Starting Point. Starting Point by Said Qais and Arham Shafi. The story is Grab My Heart and Refuse to Let It Go. Before that, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Adil Ikwan bin Muhammad Nazrul. I am a Form 4 student who goes to school at SMA Mahat Nurul Fazliyah. My school code is FT4003. They say books just paper and ink, but I say books are magic, and this book technically prove it. So sit back, open your imagination, and I will take you into the off-world starting point. The story follows Akim, a second-year student with a deep passion of environmental sustainability, and a keen awareness of the issues, along with two friends for their keen awareness of the issues, along with friend attempts to revise the environmental club at their school, but those efforts go unnoticed. However, the new teacher sparks a fresh initiative in Akim's quest. It's a tale of three teenagers striving to change the world. A story about a teacher who wants to escape reality, and and uh, and a meeting that becomes the pivotal starting point for their journey. This book can attract the interest of people who want to preserve nature. This book contains 116 printed pages. Before I read this book, I had the impression that environmental sustainability was simply not throwing trash everywhere. However, after reading this book, I got my impression is technically accurate. In short, environmental sustainability refers to the wise and responsible use of earth resources so as not to damage the planet, allowing it to continue to support its various forms now and in the future. Additionally, US is this category of environmental sustainability. If you want to know more about e-waste in this book, you can buy this as you want. One of the interesting passages is in this way is nobody taught us to do this, but taking care of nature is a universal responsibility. The meaning of the sentence is even though no one told us to protect nature, um, is something we all must do because we all live on this planet, and it depends on us to keep it safe and healthy. In conclusion, protecting the environment is not just a choice. It is a responsibility we all share. Every small action like saving water, planting a trash, or recycling play part or in processing the earth then for future generations. Nature doesn't need us, but we need nature to survive. So let us work together, not just for today, but for the future of our planet. This book can also provide awareness to humans to carry out their responsibility in inhabitants of the earth. As a student, the price of this book in Peninsular Malaysia is 20 ringgit. Meanwhile, the price of this book in Sabah and Sarawak is 22 ringgit. And last but not least, I apologize on my misspoken true word consideration. Thank you very much.